Over the years, I've looked at a lot of 3D printers. They range in price from about $100 to hundreds of thousands of dollars. While not all 3D printers are available through Amazon Business, many great printers are just one click away. In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for small businesses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Creality Ender 3. Creality has made a name for itself by selling low-cost 3D printers with reasonable build quality. You can get less expensive printers with the same specs from other vendors, but generally speaking, Creality has managed to offer a consistent price, performance level, which is why we're spotlighting 3 of the company's printers on this list. This is one of the best-selling 3D printers on Amazon Business. It features a removable build surface plate, can heat to 110 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, and it comes with a 12-month warranty with lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour customer service. At the low end is Ender 3. You'll need to allocate a few hours to build this printer. It does come with some sub-assemblies already put together, but there is some kit building required. With a 220 by 220 build surface, there's a heated bed that can improve adhesion. It uses 1.75mm filament. Like the 2CR10S on this list, there is a very vibrant aftermarket for Ender 3 parts and upgrades. Number 2. Creality CR10 Mini. There are a few reasons you might want to pick the CR10 Mini instead of the CR10 described next. First, the CR10 Mini is almost $100 less expensive. It has a smaller build area, 12 inch by 8.7 inches, 300 by 220 millimeters, which can actually be an advantage. Because both CR10 models are open to the air, it's hard to evenly heat the larger CR10 bed, and it can take a while. So, if you don't need to build enormous prints, you may find the CR10 Mini a better choice, especially since it also can tap into the sizable aftermarket for CR10 add-ons and goodies. The largest 3D printers build volume 450 x 450 470 mm of the Creality CRM4 3D printer allows for the creation of bigger and more complex models with fewer or no post-processing requirements, which can save a lot of time and effort for users. The ability to batch print multiple parts in one go is also a significant advantage, as it can increase efficiency and productivity, making it ideal for prototyping and small production runs. Combined with a 4260 Y-axis stepper motor, the CRM4 can handle a whopping 30 kilograms print on its build plate. Number 3. LulzBot Mini 2. Next on my recommended list is the LulzBot Mini 2. I have one sitting about 10 feet away from me right now in the Fab Lab, and it's a tank. I've been printing on this, and its older brother, the LulzBot Mini, pretty much non-stop for months now. Of the printers available on Amazon Business, there is one brand that stands out for bulletproof build quality, and that's LulzBot. These are not the prettiest printers, nor are they the most feature-rich, but they are the most rock-solid reliable. For a printer with a relatively small, 160mm by 160mm by 180mm build area, it's priced relatively high, at $1,485. Most other printers with such a small build area are about a fifth the price. But the difference is that those printers are meant as entry-level printers, while this machine is a total workhorse. Even though its build volume is small, I've probably printed more prints on the LulzBot Mini and Mini 2 than I have on any other printer. I've never had a problem, ever. Number 4. Dremel Digilab 3D45. The Dremel 3D45 has a 10 by 6 inch, 255 by 155, heated build platform, so it's a bit smaller than some of the other printers we've shown. On the other hand, What we really like about this printer is that it's fully enclosed. That means you can keep the model warm as you're printing, which is particularly important if you're printing in ABS. In addition to the full enclosure, this printer comes with a filter and fan, as well as an exhaust port, so if you don't want to breathe in the nasty ABS fumes, you can actually exhaust them out of your printing area. This is a feature we've rarely seen, even on much more high-end devices. One downside of the printer is that it's semi-locked to Dremel proprietary filament. There's a filament access port that only fits the Dremel filaments. Fortunately, you can use other filaments, but you'll need to print a filament holder. These are our favorites, and feed the filament in through the door of the filament holding area. It works, but it's not as elegant as the proprietary filament solution. Number 5. Snapmaker 3"-1A 350T3D. With a wide array of uses, the Snapmaker 2.0 modular 3"-1 3D printer is a fantastic machine to learn the basics of 3D printing on, and then keep around for the long haul as you master each function. An upgrade to Snapmaker's previous models, the 2.0 A350T encompasses noise reduction for quieter printing, faster speeds, and precision down to 0.005 mm for a smoother finish. This 3D printer is an absolute beast when it comes to material compatibility, whether you're printing with PLA, PTG, or TPU, engraving or cutting into plywood, paper, acrylic, fabric, or leather, or carving out shapes and textures with hardwood, PCB, acrylic, POM, carbon fiber sheets, or many more, the Snapmaker can handle the task. This is likely beyond the scope of what you'd be getting into as a beginner, but it opens up the possibilities as you broaden your knowledge and get more comfortable in the realm of 3D printing. There's a lot to applaud Snapmaker for, including its incorporation of auto leveling, filament runout and power loss recovery, Wi-Fi connectivity, and an all-metal, high-strength build that's designed to last.